So guys, it's currently Monday and I just woke up not too long ago and we are currently in the London session. And so my eye is still feeling sleepy. I still feel sleepy in a way, but I just woke up. I've done my analysis in the markets, taking my trade for the London session. I'm buying EUR USD with I'm risking like about $4 to $5 on this trade for the first trade, and the trade is currently going well, I would say, but hopefully we pray it hits our TP. It's going to be a very positive move for us for the first trade taking this particular morning. Let me show you guys the trade. Come to my system real quick. So this is the trade I'm talking about. It's currently moving. You can see I bought from here, and I'm going to be explaining the reason why I took these buys on EUR/USD. It's just a simple XFPK strategy that I usually used to trade. So this is the position I took it from, and you can see that the trade is also running by the side around here. So that is my MT5 showing it, and this is the first trade. Hopefully it goes well for us, then we can move on from there. We're about to hit this $100, man. Let's go. So we'll be stepping away from the market right now, and we're going to come back in a short time to show you guys more progress on the trade. Hopefully it goes well for us. It's going to be a positive start if it goes well for us, but if it doesn't go well for us, we have risked $4 to $5 on this trade, and we're going to try to go again for another trade if the opportunity shows up today. But for now, let's step away. So guys, as you can see, the trade is actually running in a good amount of profit right now, as shown on the screen, and is also moving good in our favor also. So right about now, I just want to step out to get some things. We can't sit down around all day and do nothing. Trading is actually boring, like people say. Once you take the trade and it's running, there's nothing else to do. That you watch a movie, do some little work, go to the gym or do something. But today, I just want to step out real quick and probably get some things to hit, and hopefully it hits our profit. And looking at the profit, I'm actually take partials. I don't discredit partials. I'm actually take partials based on the fact that this is the first trade we are taking, and we need to be in profit to create that buffer for ourselves to actually move fast to get to that $100 threshold that we want to get to. And with that being said, nothing really much. I'm going to see you guys later. Let's go. So guys, currently on my way out right now. Kind of hungry though. I'm not going to lie. Kind of hungry because although yesterday I had some very good Easter food, but I'm kind of hungry right now, so I'm stepping out to get some food while the trade is also running. This is how we actually do our daily movements. We wake up, we trade, we go out to get things done, we come back. I'll see you guys later. The joints, the fucking joints, bread and beans. That's what we are living on this morning. You already know. The joints. You guys, we are back with the positive results, and this trade actually hit my TP at the end of the day, but actually ended up closing some trades in partial and closing it entirely before hitting my TP. I was already above like 1:2. I was like above 1:2, I think, yes, because my risk was $4. When I calculated, it was $4, and with the intentions of making $12, I was close to 1:3, probably like 1:2.8, 2.9, which is fair enough for us. This is the first trade. We have to take it slow to actually move at a very good pace, and we are finally close TP. And I'm going to be doing an explanation of why I took the trade and the reason behind the risk I took, the $4 risk I took, because it's actually divided into 5. The account is actually divided into 5, and I've already said that if I can lose $4, that's $20 is gone. So that is what I did actually. So I'm going to be giving you guys the explanation very soon when I get back from where I'm going, because I just got back from somewhere and I'm going back somewhere again. But I'm going to give you guys the explanation real soon, but this is a positive start. Let's go. So guys, I'm on my system right now and I want to show you guys why I took this trade on EUR/USD. And Jesus Christ, look at how the thing just scattered the TP to the upside, scattered it like very fast move. This is why I took this trade on EUR/USD, because I was confident in the buys, and EUR/USD has been trying to buy since from all these places. It created a double bottom to the upside, came back to retest the double bottom. I waited for it to actually break above this zone, then give me a valid reason why I should buy on the lower time frame, because on the higher time frame the market is actually trying to sell, but it needs to buy to a particular position to actually sell again, and it has not bought to that position. So I took advantage of all these signs to actually buy the market, and look at how the thing went straight to TP, no drawdown, sniper entry, boom, to the upside. So I saw this double bottom, then I waited for the break above this double bottom. I could have entered the trade from there and put my stop loss here, but the stop loss would be too big. So I decided to say no, I'm not going to enter the trade that way. I waited for the market to actually break above this side, give me another valid reason to buy. I was meant to buy from here, but the market never reversed that way. Then it broke this particular trend line on the smaller time frame, came back to retest. This is my point of interest on the smaller time frame. Gave me different kind of confluences to actually buy. Almost five reasons to buy. Double bottom, break retest, to the upside again. This is number two. Came back to retest this particular zone again. This is number three. A break of the trend line. Number four. Coming back to the point of interest around there. Number five. And there's no way this market is not going to go to the upside. I was so confident in it. And look what happened. Boom, to the upside. As simple as that. We took our TP and we were out of the market. As simple as that. Look at it. Hopefully we get another trade today, but I don't know, from the look of things, I don't know if we are going to get another trade. But if we are going to get another trade today, I'm going to be risking another probably $5 on it again, because we're already in profit. So we have the risk to take. We have the money to take the risk. I mean, so I can reach $5 on it again if I see another opportunity. So let's go. The journey to the $100 is becoming a reality little by little. Let's continue going. Yo guys, welcome back. And finally, that trade has finally hit our stop loss. It actually stopped us out, and funny enough, I had that feeling that the trade was going to stop us out, even though it was an A plus setup, buying to the upside. But the reason why that trade stopped us out was because a news came out around 3 p.m. PMI news. And when the news came out, according to the news on Forex Factory, is meant to actually go our way, because the news came out negative. The USD news, the USD PMI news came out negative. And whenever the news can come out negative, most times the parent pair actually reacts positively. So I expected AUD USD and EU USD to buy. It actually bought initially and then it sold back, as you can see in the picture. It bought initially and then it sold back and it stopped us out. So I don't think I'm going to be taking any more trades today, because we have taken two trades today. Today is just Monday. We have taken two trades. We have taken one win and we have taken one loss. I think I lost about $5 on that trade because I re-entered with an 0.03 at some point in time. I was really confident in the trade, but you already know how the forex market is. You cannot be too confident to this market. So it stopped us out and we lost about $5 from our $12 or $11 profit that we had this morning. So we are still up $6, which is a positive news that we're up $6. So tomorrow, which is Tuesday, I'm going to be coming back to trade, but I cannot compile everything in this video because I don't want this video to be too long. So I'm going to be doing it in the next episode, which will be EP3. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you feel what I'm doing and you really like what I'm doing. It really encourages me to do more. For now, it's your favorite Brex FPK signing out. Let's go.